Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make an amazing rose and raspberry mousse. Hydrate 6 grams of gelatin in 45 milliliters of cold water, and to the water I'm adding a teaspoon of rose water. Give the water a little stir and then pour it over the gelatin, mix and let it sit. Whip 250 milliliters of very cold whipping cream to a very soft peak. On a low speed, this should take about 90 seconds. And now add 150 grams of plain yogurt. Mix on low speed for just a few seconds. Continue mixing by hand for a few seconds more. I warmed 150 grams of raspberry puree in the microwave so that I can dissolve 50 grams of xylitol and 10 milliliters of agave syrup easier. Once the xylitol has dissolved, check the temperature of the mixture. If it's over 40 degrees Celsius, it's okay to add the gelatin. If it isn't, pop it in the microwave for a few seconds more. Stir in the gelatin until it dissolves and then add about a third of the yogurt mousse. Mix this in with the whisk and then pour this beautiful deep pink mixture into the remaining yogurt mousse. Fold gently until you can no longer see any streaks of white. Then it's time to pour the mousse into your serving cups. Because my bowl was too large for that, I first poured it into a smaller cup. Even though it's quite fluid at this stage, you can notice the creaminess and it'll set perfectly in the fridge. Level the surface with the back of a spoon and decorate each cup with a fresh raspberry. Refrigerate the rose and raspberry mousse for at least 3 hours before serving. Enjoy! See you next time, Dessertophiles!